In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Suno AI subscription. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be fully set up with a paid plan so you can generate music without hitting free tier limits. Start by opening your browser and heading to suno.com. On the home page, look for the sign in button, usually at the top right. Click it to begin. If you already use Suno, just continue with your existing login. If not, you can sign in using a provider or your email. On the sign-in screen, choose the account you want to use. To proceed with email, select the email option. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify. This might involve a one-time code or a magic link. Complete that flow and you'll be brought back into Suno with your account authenticated. Once you're signed in, move to your profile menu in the top right corner. Open it and choose account. Inside your account area, find the subscribe option and click it. This takes you to a secure checkout page where you can review the plan details and pricing. Take a moment to confirm the currency, billing frequency, and any limits or credits associated with the plan so there are no surprises. At checkout, you'll see multiple payment methods. For card payments, select the card option and enter your card number, expiration, CVC, and billing address exactly as it appears with your bank. Some cards require additional verification, so if you're prompted for a security check, approve it to continue. If a card is declined, double-check the postal code and the name on the card. If you prefer crypto, choose the crypto payment method. You'll be shown supported networks and the exact amount. Open your wallet, send the payment to the address provided, and confirm the network is correct. Keep the checkout window open while the payment confirms. Blockchain confirmations can take a moment depending on network traffic. You can also pay by bank. Select the bank option and follow the secure banking flow. This might redirect you to your bank or generate transfer details. Complete the authorization in one go, and don't refresh the page until it confirms. When your payment method is set, click Subscribe to finalize. You should see a confirmation screen, and you'll receive a receipt by email. Back in Suno, return to account anytime to view billing, download invoices, or manage your plan. If something doesn't update right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. That's it, your Suno AI subscription is active and ready to power your music creation.